Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today we are taking the 500 out, right there, yep, there it is. And we're gonna go mudding because I felt like, you know, we need to go mudding. And I had a lot of crazy plans to go. I was gonna take this thing to some brand new mud holes I found and do some pretty crazy stuff. But sadly, this tooth right here, going in the middle, fell out. It's a cap. I broke it out like 15 years ago when I was a teenager. And sadly, it made me sound even more hick and have more of a list than I already have. So I couldn't really record a video, so I took a break. So here I am in the middle of the week, and I'm like, I need a video. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna play in this hole. But first, we are going to have to go ahead and take my good old friend, Mr. Shovel here, and we're gonna dig out this little spot there that's stopping us. I am sick and tired of this rut right here, stopping everything coming up. So we're gonna dig it out. So let me dig this out. I'll throw the GoPro on and we're gonna start mudding, and then maybe we'll go somewhere else. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's hope we have everything right. Ooh, I keep throwing that and hitting that. Anyways, I dug that hole out. Let's put forward drive on, and let's see what we can get. And we're still hitting the snorkel. I forgot to fix that. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Walk that, baby, walk it. Ugh. I better put my boots on. Oh, it's my feet. Oh, my feet's gonna get wet. My feetsies. Woo! A little chilly, not too bad. Let's see if we can get up it. I dug up a big chunk of that out. Woo. Oh. Whoa. How am I stuck all the way back here? I thought it was... I didn't dig all the way back here. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Oh, no. We didn't make it that time. But I got faith in us. We can make this. Come on, baby. We just cannot get up this hill. Ugh. Oh, no. Come on. Okay, we're back up. Oh, water gets super deep right there. There we go, baby, come on. I just don't understand why it's so bad right there. We're gonna make it. I have faith in us. Come on, come on, come on. One more time. No, I broke that off. I wonder if that's what popped. Oh no, stay, stay. Good boy. Okay, y'all ready? Do this again. I guess I didn't dig it out good enough. I swear. Come on, come on, come on. breaking this wheel off at this rate. Oh no, it's a little baby turtle. Oh, hey little buddy, I'm sorry. Hey, look at little baby snapper turtle. Ain't he cute? Okay, come on buddy. We're gonna put you on this side and I'm gonna stay off of this side, okay? Here you go. Good luck. Sometimes you just gotta be nice to little baby turtles. Yeah, this wheel's that wheel's not doing so well. The bushes came in today, hopefully. If not, we might have an issue. I don't know how much longer that thing's gonna last. Screw it. Woo! This is insane. Luckily, we ain't broke nothing yet. But there's a lot of clicking here. I'm assuming it's like the axles are probably clicking. Oh, something bit me. But hopefully they'll last long enough to do a couple full sends. If not, I'll go ahead and buy some axles tomorrow. Back up. Oh, I splashed the camera. I'm sorry, camera. Well, good enough. Let's see if we can do that again. Oh! Oh! It's over my boot! Come on! I don't know why that entertains me so much. My plastic broke off! Aww! What am I gonna do now? Now I gotta put this back on. Stupid plastic. Well, anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad that y'all tuned in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It wasn't nothing too crazy, just playing with this 500. I still don't know what that popping noise is. I'm assuming it's the axle. Is it the axle? Is it the diff? We don't know. Could be the transmission fall, I know. But we're going to keep full sending it till something gives, and then we'll fix whatever it gives. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure you check out one of our other videos and our playlist. And if you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel. And tell me what you want to see next. Do you want to see the Wolverine? You want to see the 500? Or do you want to see the Rancher 350? We have all of them ready to go. You tell me which one you want to see next and what kind of video. We could do trail riding, mud. We could do something stupid like the pontoon 350, anything. You just leave a comment and let me know. Anyways, guys, I will see y'all on the next one.